In today's video, we are talking about unequal sharing. Unequal sharing involves one or more parties having more or less of a shared quantity. For instance, let's say that you go to the cafeteria and purchase two different items with a combined price of $15. More than likely, one item will cost a bit more than the other. So let's look at the process of unequal sharing. First, you want to lay out the problem using number sentences, or you can choose to use a bar model. Then subtract the difference and divide the remainder accordingly. Here's our first example. Share $15.50 between Mark and Lisselle so that Lisselle receives $1.50 more than Mark. So where do we begin? First, we use number sentences or bar models to lay out the problem. Two people are involved here, Mark and Lisselle. So we write those names down. You'll notice that I wrote an X by each of their names. That X simply represents the sum of money they each have. We could use any letter, but let's use an X for now. So they each have X dollars. Now, the problem stated that Lisselle received $1.50 more than Mark. So we also want to represent that information using our number sentences. So while Mark has X dollars, Lisselle has X plus an additional $1.50. So great, we're finished laying out our problem. So Mark has X dollars, while Lisselle has X plus an additional $1.50. The second step is to subtract the difference from the whole. And remember, the whole represents the whole or total amount. So $15.50 subtract $1.50 leaves $14. That was pretty straightforward. Finally, we divide accordingly. We divide by 2. 14 divided by 2. So why did we choose to divide by 2? Well, 2 people are involved, so we divided the amount by 2 and we have $7. Look at our number sentences. We substituted or replaced the X with $7. Therefore, Mark has $7 while Lisselle has $8.50. Now, what was the total amount of money? $15.50. Is there a way that we can check our answer? If we add the amount of money Mark received and the amount of money Lisselle received, we should get the whole. The whole refers to the total amount. So that's one way that you can check your answer. So you lay out the problem using number sentences or bar models. You subtract the difference and then you divide accordingly. And remember to update your number sentences. Here's our second example. Tia bought a book and a pen for $36. The pen cost $10 less than the book. What is the cost of each item? Which items are involved here? Let's get ready to lay out the problem. So $36 represents the cost of a book and a pen. Let's use an X to represent the amount each item costs. But we also see that the problem stated that the pen costs $10 less than the book. If the pen costs $10 less, then the book is $10 more. Therefore, the pen costs X dollars, while the book costs X dollars plus an additional $10. We're finished with the number sentences. The pen costs X dollars, while the book costs X dollars plus that additional $10. Next, we subtract the difference. $36 subtract $10 leaves $26. That is $26 to share between the pen and the book. Lastly, we divide accordingly. Since there are 2 items again, we divide by 2. And we update our number sentences. The pen costs $13, while the book costs $13 plus $10, which gives us $23. Again, we can check our answer by adding 13 and 23. So here are a few for you to try on your own. Remember to check your answers when you're through. And here's another assignment. You can create 3-word problems involving unequal sharing. Remember to include the solutions to your problems. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you later. Bye.